Hello, everyone. Welcome once again to my channel at Wellon. So today I'm going to walk you through on how to bypass another application which is called Cardro Pro. Remember in my previous video I worked on Cardlog. So today we are going to be working on Cardro Pro. So what is Cardro Pro? Please, this video is purposely for educational purpose only. Okay, so please don't forget all information is aimed at protecting viewers and readers from illegal actions. So please, before you crack anyone's app, you have to take permission first, and this application don't use it illegally, so I'm making use of it on my own personal PC. So I'm going to open this application called Cardro Pro. So here is the interface of the Cardro Pro. So but before that, let's just run a background check of what Cardro Pro is used for. Okay, so now Cardro Pro. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's open this to see. Say Cardro Pro version code is available before then. Got to this one and that one. Okay, no information concerning this application. Okay, now let's use print text post. Okay, so please don't call this number, if not you'll be in trouble. Okay, so say Cardro Pro is an application for running a transfer with just BVN anonymously, OTP diverting this one and that one. You can see that. So they are selling it on this website, so please be careful. Don't buy from these people. You might be, you might be swindled. So please, when you check on YouTube, you also see that so many people are interested to get this app. So you see, I also run a background check to see that. You see, Cardro Pro. So I saw so many people that needed this. They want that. So you can see the comment section. I use Cardro Pro. You sold it to me 400k from a BVN, so it has been transferred. Can I get this app? Hello bro, please, I need activation code. So you see that many people need activation code, so but I'm going to walk you through how to do this for free. So how do I get this app? So there are so many questions and comments I saw online in regards to this. So for this sake, I made this video so you can do it yourself. So here is the interface when you open the website. So now you say enter details, account details of where we draw from. So you can just enter my name, Opera Wisdom Okudere. Okay, so amount like 1 million naira. So bank name, you can use UBA bank, UBA. So account number 3061111122222, whatever. So now here is option to enter the BVN. I don't know the BVN, just enter anything. So now the next thing to do now is to click withdraw. So this is a enter account details. This is where the money will be reflecting to. So you can enter just Wellon concept. So bank name, you can enter First Bank. So account number where you want the money to reflect, just 2006 whatever 10-digit number. Then you click on transfer. Then now you see here is asking for an activation code. You can see that. So we are going to be trying a random activation code. Just type anything. Okay, let's use keyboard 4444 this just anything. Just click, you see invalid code, you can see that here. Then let's remove this and type 1111222 anything. Just type any random thing. You see that it's going to tell you that the activation of invalid code. You can see that. So here we have this message. We got this message and invalid code. Okay, so we are going to run a search on this again. So let's try again. See, invalid code. Okay, invalid code. Okay, so let's invalid code. This is capital letter, so you should be mindful of that with this character. Okay, so this is the code we are going to be searching on. So now we have seen the message the app is giving us. So the next thing now to do, so you can just try random anything. So just 00000. So you can just try 00000. Say something invalid code. So now the next thing we're going to do, remember I showed you last time how to get the directory. So you can use as well current activity app. You can just open the app, then you can check the directory where this is coming from. See, the directory is coming from is com.example.cardro pro 85 dot anonymous code. Okay, you can see that this is the directory where this message is coming from. Okay, so remember here, let me use this to show you. Okay, so now we are going to be using this application, the same APK Editor Pro. Okay, so to do the same thing to get this through. So I'm going to open this application. So there is options here. So I'm going to be choosing from APK installed files. Okay, because I already installed this, you can choose from a selected file. You can select. Okay, so you can see already we have this application installed on this phone. So we are going to be open this application, locate where the application is. So you can see that. Sorry, yeah, let me use this to open this for you. Okay, so the next thing to do is to click on the application. So you're going to see options like this. So please choose the full editing option. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing this. Then we are going to choose the all files. Okay, so I'm going to open this. So now when you see this, please do not be afraid. Just all you need to do just to click on the file section option. So then the next thing you are going to do is to open here, click on small a to view the complete file. Okay, so you see, okay, now we have the small a. So you can also go through this by searching from small a, com example Cardro Pro. You can see the same option we got here. You can see example Cardro Pro 5 anonymous. So likewise you can get this like this, like I show you, com small a com example, you know, then you can see the file from here. But we are not going to be working from here. We are going to do normal search method, which is going to help us to get this so fast and so quick. So remember the code we got was invalid code. So we are going to type in here invalid code, then with this character. Okay, so you can see that. So then the next thing to do, remember we are searching here. So there's two types of searching method here. You can use this one, I can use this one, but I'm using this. So the next thing to do is to use this search method. Okay, so I'm going to click here. Okay, now you see this is the answer, this is the response from the app. So we are going to edit from here. So the next thing you are going to do is to open here. Okay, now this is where we have to look into the code. So remember the same directory I showed you, that is where we are getting this from. So now we are going to look for the message invalid code. Invalid code. So we are going to be scrolling like bit by bit. Invalid code, invalid code, invalid code, invalid. Okay, wow. Okay, now you see we got this here. See, here is the where the invalid code is seen. So now the next thing is to do, remember I told you there is always a condition. Now this condition is telling us if your input is equals 3, then go to condition 2, condition z something. So but if it is not true, then you have to give this option, you have to give this message, pop up this message invalid code. So the next thing we are going to do, we don't want to mind whether it's going to send to it is correct or not. So we are going to remove the condition here. So you see here is now empty. We have removed the condition, nothing is here again. So this is the number 64146, I think. So that is it. So now we have removed the condition, so it is not going to call anything here. So it is going to bypass it, whether the code is correct or not. Just remove the condition. So the next thing is we are going to do now is to save this here. Click on the save file, then you're going to click save, then file save. So you are going to go back, then click back, then remember the directory I showed you. See, when you check the directory, you are going to see it is the same. You can see Cardro Pro, this and that. So now let's go back to our app. So now you go back. So the next thing to do now is to click on build. Okay, so click on build. So build this app now to save our modification. Okay, thank you so much. So if you are up to this moment following this procedure, please, I appreciate your effort. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's wait for the app to finish building. So it is merging now. Okay, now 4.5. Okay, so you have to be a little more patient. Okay, clean up. Okay, now the app is has finished building. So we are going to remove the old file from here. So first of all, remove the old file to reinstall the old file, which is asking for activation code. So are you sure you want to? Yes, uninstall. We don't need it. So the app will be uninstalled. Okay, okay, yeah, Cardro Pro uninstalled. So we are going to be installing the new one which we did. Okay, now we're going to click on install. Okay, so now we are going to be installing our work profile. Okay, so we're going to wait for a while install. Okay, we're going to wait for a while, so you have to be patient over this. So after the installation, we are going to check the app again. Okay, it is taking time, so you have to be patient. Okay, okay, the file, the app has been installed. So the next thing we are going to do is to minimize this. So we're going to, okay, now we are going to open the app again. Remember, this is the modified version now. Sorry, so we're going to open this. Sorry, I made a mistake by opening another app. Okay, so we're going to be opening this Cardro Pro. Okay, now the app is already yeah, so you can see other functionality, OTP diversion, and the card wizard, get BVN of a person, the client, buy activation code. So you don't need to go. So go to anonymous transaction like we did before, then name, opera. Sorry, I'm going to be entering my name, opera. Sorry, wisdom. So randomly we are going to do this, then enter, click withdraw. You are going to feed that, all that. So you are going to enter the name where you want the money to reflect, Wellon sec, so etc. So you're going to click transfer. So now we are going to enter anything at all, like 000. Remember we enter 000. Now you see that it is going to open. Sorry. So when I click, you see we successfully open the application. You can see that. So you see. So anything now you enter, we open this. So just try next again. Just try transfer. Just try any random thing. Just anything, any code, just anything. Yes, it's going to activate. You see. So that is it for this video. Thank you for transfer successful. So if you're up to this moment, I appreciate your effort. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Well on.